Honestly, I'm just gonna say it. Honestly, with soap, I have something special to show you guys. This. Comment down below if you know what this is before I open it. Yes, I want to show you guys this. I am going to use it as a part of my skincare routine. So let's just make this the self-care segment of this vlog. And there you have it. Oh, also, I want to get dressed. That's what we're going to do. So first, we're going to brush our teeth. Second, we're going to head down for breakfast. We're going to come back up and then we're going to do skincare. And then after that, we're going to get dressed. And I'm going to give you guys a room tour. So that is how we're going to do it. Once he gets done with what he's doing, we're going to go out to dinner later on tonight. So I'm just going to go ahead and do an early prep, skincare, get dressed. By the time we finish the room tour, he should be either like coming back and getting ready, but I'll already be ready. So there's that. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know if you can tell how big this room is, but it's a pretty good sized room. So I'm gonna try to make this tour really cute for you guys. Very aesthetically pleasing, so bear with me, but let's get started. Yeah.
That you walk into.
Because I barely use a bath anyway, so yeah, I like this.
If we have a big enough room, we can have a separate bath. Like a standalone
And
bath.
yeah, I would like that too.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, hey? You could be the one, hey. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say
I forgot to get a fork or like a spreading utensil. So this is how this is gonna roll today. So this is gonna be the other half of my breakfast. I did not show you guys the breakfast that I had downstairs, but I'm gonna finish this bagel and then I'm gonna shower.
Enough time when we come back, I take a picture of you on the fancy chair.
Okay. So this is my outfit. Oops. For today, or for right now. This guy decides to interrupt skincare, so we have to do skincare later.
They're gonna think you mean something dirty when you say that.
Well, we're going to get poke balls, and I just wanted to get poke balls, so need to do that. But look how cute the outfit. We're walking because it's walking distance, but see you guys when we get over there. personally.
The bottom under superfoods on the left side.
Youthful one?
No, the Ocean Wave one.
Oh.
Under the superfoods.
Almond milk, banana, pineapple. So is it sweet?
It's not overly sweet, but it is sweet. Okay.
So what would your second best recommendation be?
I would normally, if you're looking for like a tropical, I would do the island one, and I would normally add strawberry.
Okay, so I got a island one and I got the clean juice. I'm gonna sit right here at this table for a second so I can take a sip of it, and then I'm gonna walk back over to the hotel, and then we're going to unbox that box that I was showing you guys. I hope you guys can hear me, but if not, I'll do like a voiceover. So here's the thing. I forgot my tripod. That's the first sip. This is my first time drinking clean juice, so here we go. And she educated me on the difference between tropical smoothie and clean juice. All their products are organic. She said that they added sugars to their smoothies and to their ingredients, whereas they use like pure dates and pure organic honey. Like, they don't add any other sugar. It's always a healthier alternative. So that's why it's called a clean juice. So here we go, first sip. To plainly put it and to simply explain what I'm feeling, what I'm tasting, is like if you're at home, you put a banana, strawberries, and then you add milk and you blend it. That's what this tastes like. Like, there's nothing else added. Oh, but anyways, let's go back to the hotel and get into the skincare routine. Or we may end up just doing skincare tomorrow, you guys, because TJ interrupted. It's already like 1 o'clock, and I really don't feel like, because I washed my face in the shower, I really don't feel like re-washing my face for the sake of the video. So we might end up doing a nighttime routine, or I'll wake up early in the morning and just start fresh. But what I am gonna do today is unbox that mysterious item and then we're gonna get ready for dinner, because we're gonna go out to dinner. So this day is not planned. There's no itinerary. I know that because this is like this is more of a personal business thing. It's not a vacation type. I'm just making it a vacation because I'm by myself for most of the day. So that's why I said this is a solo, but not solo, staycation. So yeah, but I think the goal now is to head back to the hotel. Let's go ahead and unbox this PR gift, and then we'll do either a get ready with me for dinner. Yeah, we'll do a get ready with me for dinner. That's how we're gonna play this, because we're leaving tomorrow. So let's do that.